Hey, 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 hey! The old Caddyman's back with one of our favorites, another dipping sauce. We love to dip things. You know why? Because we love finger food. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Say that 3 times. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Okay. This right here is garlic aioli. Say aioli 3 times without real fast. Aioli, aioli, aioli. Yeah, yeah. Anyway, very, very good. Okay. Start out with a cup of our olive oil mayo. Mayo. Okay. 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic. Got to keep the vampires away. Hate vampires. Bloodsuckers. Okay. Tablespoon of lemon. I've already got it. You know, I have a great producer that already does this stuff for me. You know, sometimes I forget, but she does it. Dump it, Eddie, dump it. There you go. Okay, kosher salt, pepper, paprika, my favorite. God, I love paprika. I don't know if I like it more than I like saying it. Okay, then I'm gonna, another favorite word, whisk. Now, as you notice, I already have some made up because we love this stuff. We had it on grilled cheese last night, and I'm telling you, it changed the taste immensely. And also, go to the dollar store and get some of these little babies. I think they're 97 cents or $1. I mean, they squirt, they take up less room. I mean, they're amazing. Look at the color on this, folks. I mean, this is amazing. It's good. Love, 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 love. I went a little overboard there. Okay. Oh. As Jackie Gleason would say, how sweet it is. Try this for me, please. And then come see the old Caddyman. Bye now.